Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you love paper crafting, you definitely want to check out these Purple Q Crafts white blank cards. I love making DIY greeting cards, and these have been the perfect base for me. One thing I really like is the weight of the paper. It feels nice and heavy, nice and professional. I also like that it comes with the fold line already there for you, so you can get a perfect fold for your greeting cards. And because they're this pure white, you have so many options for your greeting cards. You can do stamps, stickers, paper cutouts. There's just an endless world of possibilities to make beautiful cards. And of course, it comes with your envelopes as well, so your cards will fit perfectly. You already have your card and envelope combo, so you can make awesome greeting cards at home. I love these, and that's my point of view.